Hello, everyone. Welcome to Elevate Your English. I am Zuby.
And I am Laura. We are so happy you are here.
Many people feel nervous in a restaurant. I felt nervous too. I was afraid to speak. But do not worry. Today we learn together.
By the end, you will feel more confident. You can order food. You can talk with the waiter. We have included pictures to help you learn better. First, we learn useful words. Listen carefully.
Restaurant,
Restaurant,
table,
table,
chair,
chair,
menu,
menu,
waiter, waitress,
waiter, waitress,
plate, fork, knife, spoon,
plate, fork, knife, spoon,
glass, cup, napkin, bill.
glass, cup, napkin, bill.
Repeat all words with us slowly. Restaurant,
Table,
chair,
menu,
waiter, waitress,
plate, fork, knife, spoon.
glass, cup, napkin, bill.
Good job. You know these words now.
Now we learn food names, which is the exciting part. We divide them into groups: starter, main course, dessert, drinks, salad, soup, garlic bread, spring rolls, tomato soup. Repeat after me. Main course is the big dish. Examples: hamburger, chicken, pasta, pizza, fish, rice, vegetables, beef, spaghetti, cheeseburger, salmon, potatoes, fried rice, grilled chicken, mashed potatoes. Repeat each one. Next is my favorite part, dessert. Dessert is sweet and comes at the end of your meal. Examples: cake, ice cream, fruit, chocolate cake, apple pie, banana ice cream, fresh fruit salad, cookies, cheesecake, strawberry ice cream. Repeat. Drinks keep you happy. Examples: water, juice, soda, tea, coffee, orange juice, apple juice, lemonade, cola, hot tea, black coffee, milkshake. Great! Pause the video and repeat all drinks. All this talk about food and drinks is making me hungry and thirsty. But let's keep going and practice more. Repeat after me. Bread, eggs, yogurt, cheese, sandwich, fries, steak, omelet, curry, noodles, mango, banana, chocolate, vanilla ice cream.
I am also getting hungry. Wonderful job, everyone. Now you know many foods. Think about your favorite food and tell us in the comments what they are.
Polite words make people happy. Use them in the restaurant.
Hello.
Hello.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like.
I would like.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
The bill, please.
The bill, please.
Thank you. Yes, please. No, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, please. No, thank you. Repeat all phrases with us slowly. Hello.
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like.
I would like.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
The bill, please.
The bill, please.
Thank you. Yes, please. No, thank you.
Now we practice the whole visit. Imagine you are in the restaurant. It feels exciting. You enter, you say, hello.
Hello. Repeat.
You ask for a table. A table for two, please.
A table for two, please. Repeat.
The waiter says, "This way, please." You say, "Thank you."
Thank you. Repeat.
You sit. You ask for the menu. "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Repeat.
The waiter asks, "Are you ready?" You say, "Yes, I am."
Yes, I am. Repeat.
Now order starter. I would like the salad, please. I would like the soup, please. I would like garlic bread, please.
Repeat. Different starters.
For main course, I would like the chicken, please. I would like the pizza, please. I would like the pasta, please. I would like the fish, please. I would like the beef, please. I would like fried rice, please.
Repeat. Many main courses.
For drinks, I would like water, please. I would like orange juice, please. I would like coffee, please.
Repeat. Drinks.
After eating, you say, "It is delicious. Thank you."
It is delicious. Thank you. Repeat.
If you need help, say, "Excuse me, can I have more water, please?"
Excuse me. Can I have more water, please? Repeat.
At the end, you ask for the bill. "The bill, please."
The bill, please. Repeat.
You pay and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
Thank you. Goodbye. Now we do a complete role play. Listen first, then repeat the customer parts.
"Hello, a table for one, please."
This way, please.
"Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?"
Here is the menu. Are you ready to order?
"Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup, please. I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please. I would like apple juice, please."
Very good.
"Excuse me, the bill, please."
Here is the bill.
"Thank you. Goodbye." Now, repeat the customer parts with long pauses. "Hello, a table for one, please."
This way, please.
"Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?"
Here is the menu. Are you ready to order?
"Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup, please. I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please. I would like apple juice, please."
Very good.
"Excuse me, the bill, please."
Here is the bill.
"Thank you. Goodbye." Speak slowly. Smile. It is okay to make mistakes. I make mistakes too. Mistakes help us learn.
If you do not understand, say, "Sorry, can you please repeat that?" People are kind.
Great job, everyone. You learned the basics. Now we learn more advanced restaurant skills. For example, making reservations, expressing dietary needs, and tipping culture.
First, let us learn reservation words. These are important. Listen carefully. Reservation.
Booking.
Available.
Tonight. Tomorrow. This weekend.
Repeat these words with us. Reservation.
Available.
Now, important phrases. I would like to make a reservation, please.
Do you have a table for 4 people?
What time do you close?
Let us practice a phone call. I call the restaurant. Laura works at the restaurant. Listen first.
Good evening, Tony's restaurant. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make a reservation for tomorrow night, please.
Of course. How many people?
3 people, please, at 8 o'clock.
Perfect. May I have your name?
Smith. Smith. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Now you try. Repeat the customer parts after me.
Good evening, Tony's restaurant.
I would like to make a reservation, please.
How many people?
3 people at 8 o'clock.
Excellent. Now let us learn about dietary needs. Many people have special diets. Important words: vegetarian,
Vegan.
gluten-free,
Allergic to nuts. Allergic to seafood.
useful phrases. I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian options?
I'm allergic to nuts. No dairy, please.
Practice these phrases. I'm vegetarian.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Now let us learn about tipping. In America, we usually tip 15 to 20%. This is normal.
Tipping shows you are happy with the service. You can say, keep the change, or this is for you.
If your bill is $20, you tip $3 to $4. If your bill is $50, you tip $8 to $10.
Sometimes problems happen at restaurants. Stay calm and polite. Say, excuse me, this is not what I ordered.
Or, my food is cold. Could you help me, please? Restaurant workers want to help you. Be patient and kind.
Perfect. You learned advanced restaurant English today. Making reservations, special dietary needs, tipping culture, problem solving.
You are ready for any restaurant now. Practice calling real restaurants. Ask friends to practice with you. Use your new skills.
Remember to like this video and subscribe. Share with friends learning English. Tell us about your restaurant experiences in the comments.
You are doing fantastic work. Every lesson makes you stronger. Keep practicing every day. We believe in you.
Thank you for learning with us today. Until next time, keep practicing your wonderful English. You learned so much today. Restaurant words, many foods, polite sentences. I am proud of you. Now you can enjoy food with friends. It feels wonderful.
Practice every day. Speak in front of a mirror. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food?
If you liked this lesson, give us a like. Subscribe. We make new episodes every week.
Next week, we learn more useful English.
We believe in you. You are doing great.
Thank you for learning with us.
Goodbye, everyone.
Until next week.